A manufacturer of TV sets produced 600 sets in the third year and 700 sets in the seventh year. Assuming that the production increase uniformly by a fixed number every year, find first one, the production in the first year, second one, the production in the 10th year, third one, total production in first 7 years. Solution. Since production increases uniformly every year, therefore the sequence formed by the production in different years is an AP. Number of TV sets produced by manufacturer in third year is equal to A plus 2D, that is equal to 600. Let us take this as equation 1. Number of TV sets produced by a manufacturer in 7th year is equal to A plus 6D, that is equal to 700. Let us take this as equation 2. Subtracting equation 1 from equation 2, that is A plus 6D is equal to 700, A plus 2D is equal to 600. We get 4D is equal to 100. Transposing 4 to the other side, we get D is equal to 100 by 4, which is equals to 25. Now, let us substitute D is equal to 25 in equation 1. A plus 2D is equal to 600, which implies A plus 2 into 25 is equal to 600, which implies A plus 50 is equal to 600. Transposing 50 to the other side, we get A is equal to 600 minus 50, which implies A is equal to 550. Therefore, A is equal to 550 and D is equal to 25. So, the first year's production is 550 units and it's increasing by 25 units every year. Now let us answer the questions mentioned above. First one, production in the first year. A is equal to 550. Second one, the production in the 10th year. A10 is equal to A plus 9D, that is equal to 550 plus 9 into 25. That is equal to 550 plus 225, that is equal to 775. So 10 years production is 775 units. Third one, total production in the first 7 years. We know that Sn is equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Given A is equal to 550, D is equal to 25, n is equal to 7. S7 is equal to how much? Substituting these values in the above formula. S7 is equal to 7 by 2 into 2 into 550 plus 7 minus 1 into 25. That is equal to 7 by 2 into 1100 plus 6 into 25. That is equal to 7 by 2 into 1100 plus 150. That is equal to 7 by 2 into 1250. That is equal to 7 into 625. That is equal to 4375. Thus, the total production in the first 7 years is 4375 units.